do crocodiles live? Crocodile lifespan. Crocodiles are fascinating creatures that have captured the imagination of people for centuries. They are members of the crocodilian family and have a unique life cycle that spans several decades. In this post, we will explore the lifespan of crocodiles and what factors can affect their longevity. The lifespan of crocodiles varies depending on the species, with some living up to 70 years or more. American crocodiles, for example, can live up to 50 to 60 years in the wild, with adult crocodiles having a longer lifespan than young ones. This means that old crocodiles can be found in different parts of the world. Crocodiles reach sexual maturity at different times depending on their species, with some taking up to 10 years to reach adulthood. Once they reach sexual maturity, they can reproduce and continue their life cycle by laying eggs and hatching hatchlings. Studies have shown that factors such as growth rate, diet, and environmental conditions can affect the lifespan of crocodiles. For instance, if a young American crocodile has a healthy diet and lives in an environment conducive to its growth rate, it is likely to live longer than one that does not receive proper care. Average lifespan of a crocodile. Beyond factors affecting the average lifespan of a crocodile. Crocodiles are fascinating creatures that have been around for millions of years. They are known for their long lifespan, which varies depending on the species. Factors such as habitat, diet, and genetics can affect the average lifespan of a crocodile. The average lifespan of a crocodile varies between 30 to 70 years in the wild. However, some species have been known to live beyond 100 years in captivity. One such example is Mr. Freshie, an Australian saltwater crocodile who lived up to 140 years old in captivity. Habitat plays a crucial role in determining the lifespan of a crocodile. Crocodiles living in pristine habitats with minimal human disturbance tend to live longer than those living in degraded habitats with high levels of pollution and human encroachment. For instance, Nile crocodiles living in protected areas of East Africa have an average lifespan of around 45 years compared to those living near urban centers that only live up to around 25 years. Diet is another factor that affects the lifespan of a crocodile. Crocodiles are opportunistic feeders and will eat anything from fish and birds to mammals and other reptiles. A balanced diet rich in protein and essential nutrients contributes significantly to their longevity. Genetics also play a role in determining how long a crocodile lives. Some species have genes that make them more resilient than others, allowing them to survive harsh environmental conditions better. Slow growth rate contributes to long lifespan. Crocodiles have a slow growth rate and reach maturity at around 10 to 15 years old, contributing significantly to their long lifespan. This slow growth rate means they take longer to reach sexual maturity, which reduces their reproductive output but increases their chances of survival. Unlike most animals that grow rapidly during their early stages before slowing down later on, crocodiles grow slowly throughout their lives. This slow growth rate means that they are less susceptible to age-related illnesses, allowing them to live longer. Threats to the longevity of crocodiles. Despite their long lifespan, crocodiles face several threats that can significantly reduce their chances of survival. Habitat loss is one such threat, with human encroachment leading to the destruction of wetlands and other habitats crucial for crocodile survival. Hunting is another significant threat facing crocodiles worldwide. In many parts of the world, crocodiles are hunted for their skin, which is highly valued in the fashion industry. Overhunting has led to a decline in crocodile populations worldwide, reducing their chances of living long enough to reach maturity and reproduce. Climate change is also affecting the longevity of crocodiles. Rising temperatures and changing weather patterns are altering their habitats, making it difficult for them to find food and water. This disruption in their natural environment can lead to stress and illness, reducing their chances of living long enough to reach maturity. Factors that impact the lifespan of crocodile species. Crocodiles are a diverse group of reptiles that have been around for millions of years. There are 23 species of crocodiles, and each has its unique characteristics, including lifespan. Different species of crocodiles have varying lifespans. For instance, the American crocodile can live up to 70 years, while the saltwater crocodile can live up to 100 years. The Nile crocodile is another species that can live for a long time. They can grow up to 20 feet long and weigh over 1,000 pounds. These massive reptiles have a lifespan of up to 80 years in the wild. Habitat: the environment where crocodiles live can impact their lifespan significantly. Those living in polluted or disturbed habitats may have a shorter lifespan compared to those living in pristine habitats. Crocodiles require clean water and healthy ecosystems to thrive. For example, the Siamese crocodile is critically endangered due to habitat loss and degradation caused by human activities such as logging and dam construction. This species has an average lifespan of around 70 years but is at risk of extinction due to habitat destruction. Diet: crocodiles that have access to a diverse range of prey tend to live longer than those with limited food options. A balanced diet helps them maintain good health and avoid diseases. For instance, the Australian freshwater crocodile feeds on fish, crustaceans, insects, and small mammals like rodents. They also consume carrion when available. This varied diet ensures they get all the necessary nutrients required for healthy growth and development. Genetics: just like humans, genetics play a role in the lifespan of crocodiles. Some individuals may be predisposed to certain diseases or conditions that can shorten their lifespan. Inbreeding depression is one genetic factor that affects some populations of captive-bred crocodilians worldwide. This phenomenon occurs when closely related individuals mate, leading to a decrease in genetic diversity and an increase in the expression of harmful recessive traits. This can result in reduced fitness, lower reproductive success, and shorter lifespans. Human activities such as hunting, poaching, habitat destruction, and pollution can all negatively impact the lifespan of crocodiles. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure their survival and longevity. For instance, the Chinese alligator is one of the most endangered crocodile species globally. Habitat loss due to human activities, such as dam construction and agriculture, has led to a significant decline in their population. This species has an average lifespan of around 50 years, but is at risk of extinction due to habitat destruction.